Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why we just dance. We'll explore the fundamental reasons humans are drawn to this art form, from its ancient roots to its modern expressions. You'll understand the profound physical and mental benefits that come with regular movement, fostering not just a healthier body, but also a sharper mind. Discover how dance builds social connections and serves as a powerful medium for cultural expression across the globe. Ready to take your first steps? We'll identify various dance styles perfect for beginners, whether you prefer the energetic beats of hip-hop or the graceful flow of ballet. Learn about essential equipment, like comfortable, supportive shoes and attire that allows for full range of motion. We'll also guide you to resources for finding local classes, engaging online tutorials, and vibrant community dance events to kickstart your journey. Dancing offers incredible health and happiness benefits. Engaging in dance for at least 30 minutes, 3 times a week, significantly boosts cardiovascular health. It also dramatically improves flexibility, balance, and coordination, enhancing your overall physical well-being. Beyond the physical, dance is a powerful mood elevator, reducing stress and improving cognitive function, making it a truly holistic activity for both body and mind. To keep your dance journey alive, we'll explore strategies for staying motivated and setting achievable goals, like mastering a new step each month. Discover how to integrate dance into your daily routine, even for just 10 minutes, perhaps with a quick morning stretch or an evening freestyle session. Finally, connect with diverse dance communities to share experiences, learn new techniques, and find endless inspiration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.